Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's full LED headlights, you get a black roof, there's also front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got an 8-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, 3D navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's some safety features with this car as well, including speed limit recognition, lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection, and some of the other features of this car include a smartphone charging plate, there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.5 Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The car's done less than 5,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.